Hey, welcome to Pat Market. It's time for another Saturday morning music lesson, and today is the brand new #1 song by Pink called Walk Me Home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what chords you need to play, break them down, show exactly how to play them, chord by chord, all the strum patterns and everything the way that Pink plays it or how it's played on the record. So remember, if you like this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to Pat Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great guitar upload. We've got loads of stuff on the charts at the moment. So, and if there's anything that you'd like me to do, check out our Patreon. If you support us, then I'll do your lesson and I'll even give you a shout out. So let's take a quick snippet from what the song will sound like by the end of this lesson. Walk me home in the town of night. I can be alone with all the troubles in my mind. Say you'll stay with me at night. There's so much wrong going on outside. So firstly, what you're going to need is get your capo and put that on the first fret. That's the key that she plays it in the song on the record. So, I mean, you don't have to do it like that, but if you want to sound like her, then you're going to need a capo. Just get a capo. I always say, just get a capo. It helps so much. There's so many good songs out there which require it. And the chords you'll need are a C. It's kind of like F open. It's like F diminished or something like that. A G. D minor, A minor, and an F chord. So pretty easy because they are all open chords apart from the final F chord, which is a bar chord. If you already know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead, or if you don't and want a quick reminder, I'll be going through them right now. So our C chord is open on the first string, second string, first fret, third string, open, fourth string, second fret, and fifth string, third fret. And don't play that sixth string at all. F diminished chord, I think that's what it is. If I'm wrong, please tell me in the comment section below. But this chord is open on the first, second string, first fret, third string, second fret, fourth string, third fret, and open on the fifth. You can't be toggling between that C and that F diminished. D minor is first string, first fret, second string, third fret, and third string, second fret, and open on the fourth. Don't play the fifth or the sixth strings. A minor chord is open on the first, second string, first fret, third string, second fret, and fourth string, second fret, open on the fifth string. A G chord is third frets of the first and second string, open on the third and fourth strings, fifth string, second fret, sixth string, third fret. And the F bar chord is get your first finger, this is probably the hardest one to play, get your first finger and bar the first fret, get your second finger and put that on the third string, second fret, your pinky finger and put that in the fourth string, third fret, and ring finger on the fifth string, third fret. So from the top, from the sixth string, it's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. That's that F chord. And they're the only chords you're going to need for this entire song. But it's the strumming pattern really that is the difficult bit, and so many other lessons on YouTube just aren't getting it right. Admittedly, it's a hard one. It's not particularly easy strumming pattern, but we will get back to that. Firstly, the strumming pattern is quite easy. It's just that C, F diminished, C for the whole first bit. So the first bit is just C, 2 strums, 1 stroke of F, then 4 strokes of the C. So 1, 2, F, C, 2, 3, 4. Repeat C, 2, F, C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, F, C, 2, 3, 4. But you can probably tell that she's not playing an open chord then. She's like, what I would advise you to do is just mute the strings of your right hand and like that. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 1. So with the lyrics it's there's something in the way you roll your eyes, takes me back to a better time. Then the next bit is everything was good. That's your D minor, C, G, 4 times. So 1 strum of D minor, 1 strum of C, 4 strums of G. So when everything was good, now all you seem is good. So from the beginning, remember we're muting it from the beginning, is how it sounded was there's something in the way you roll your eyes, it takes me back to a better time. When everything was good, now all you seem is good. There we go. And then we finally come to the proper strum pattern. This bit, the strum pattern is down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So. The down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then for the F diminished, it's just down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So try and master that. Remember, we're no longer muting the strings, we are playing them as an open chord. So with the lyrics, that will sound like try to stand up on my own 2 feet. This conversation will come easily, and I know it's getting that second bit is exactly the same. And now we come to the chorus, which is walk me home in the dead of night. I can be alone with all the troubles in my mind. Say you'll stay with me at night. There's so much wrong going on outside. So that is A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, F. Don't worry, we'll go through that. So it's down, up, down, up on the A minor, like down, up on the F, then C is just the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that A minor, just that first bit, the first bar. Again. Next bit is just the same A minor, F, but this time the C is just down, up, and the G. Just 2 bars of G. So the second bar, just focus on the second bar for now. A minor, F, C, G. Again, A minor, F, C, G. So from the top it's walk me home in the dead of night, that I can be alone with all the truth. bit is just A minor, F, C. Like this ends the first bar. And then we go to this G, go to F. So from the top it's Walk Me Home in the dead of night. I can be alone with all the troubles in my mind. They will stay with me tonight, 'cause there's so much wrong going on outside. Let me just go back to that verse. The starting verse, not the first bit. And that's pretty much it for the whole of the song. I mean, there is another bit like when she repeats the chorus, and that's just the down strum A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, F. And then the final bit, like she just repeats the G and the F a couple more times, but like properly strung. So much wrong going on, so much wrong going on. And I'll say, and on a C, and that's pretty much it for this entire lesson. So if you've enjoyed this lesson, make sure you subscribe to Plant Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. Remember, if you have a song suggestion, like we've got loads of other things in the chart, but if there's a specific song you want to learn, then think about supporting our Patreon. Any people that support us on Patreon, I will do your song and I will give you a shout out as well, if you want that is. So remember to check out loads of other songs. We've got Pink, songs like Sun. We've got Pink, Post Malone, Ed Sheeran, Eminem, loads of Panic at the Disco, loads of other like really cool stuff. So definitely go check that out and stuff that's in the charts at the moment. So I hope you've enjoyed this tab. Follow us on Twitter at PlantMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlantMarkVlog. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.